If you're looking for movies, TV shows, sports, some live TV on your Amazon Fire TV stick, you can download a bunch of apps that may not be available on your Fire TV stick. First thing, go to the search icon and you can either use Alexa's voice or just type in downloader. This is an application which gives us the ability to sideload applications that aren't available on the Fire TV stick. We can just type in down and downloader comes right up. Once downloader is up, click on the little orange symbol there that says downloader. It says I already own it, so yours may say just get it, download it. Throws it into the queue real quick and downloads the application for us. Installs the application and we can go back to the home screen because we do not want to open it quite yet. Once you're back to the home screen, head over to the little gear icon for settings and down under My Fire TV. If you do not have developer options listed here, click on About. Under Fire TV Stick, click the select button about 7 times and then it will finally say no need, you're already a developer. We can go back to developer options. Under ADB debugging, turn it on. Under install unknown apps, click on it and under downloader, turn it on. This gives us downloader the ability to install these apps. Let's go back to the home screen and let's find downloader. So down in your apps and games, the little 3 squares plus sign icon, we can go find downloader and we can use the little 3-line button on your remote and move that to the front. As you can tell, when we go back to the home screen, downloader is there now as a shortcut to the front. Back to the search function. Will need a VPN. Type in Nord for Nord VPN. Install it, get it. Use the link below to get yourself a great discount. Find the United States, click on it, it'll connect, and we're good to go. Go back to the home screen again. So let's click on downloader, and I am going to allow downloader to access photos, media, and files on my device as it needs these permissions. And then here's a quick start guide we can read through. And then in the URL here, we're going to type in a quick little shortcut. Instead of, you can type in ledbytheunknown.com or you can type in 546835. This little shortcut will link us to the Led by the Unknown website, which will have all these great applications for you to feel free to download onto your Fire Stick. After this 5-second redirect, once the page is loaded, click on your 3-line button again on your remote and add page to the favorites, and then we don't have to type in and wait for the 5 seconds anymore. So once we're here on the main screen of the Led by Unknown website, we can come down to downloads, and this is the web page that will have all these available apps for your Fire Stick. So if you come down here, got some details, we got some videos for you to watch. So guys, this is going to be just a quick demo on what we can download. So let's try here under the movies, TV shows. We can try an application called Pluto TV. This is a free app for free movies and TV shows. Some live TV at that also. And don't forget, check out the other ones that are available. It's going to come down to let us install. Once Pluto TV is installed, we click done. And then we can delete the APK file because we no longer need it that we downloaded from the web page. Now let's go back to the home screen here quick and let's see what we downloaded. So if you go back to your apps and games icon, the 3 squares and a plus sign. Now we have Pluto TV, and we can again use the 3-line button on our remote. And here it says move to the front. And there you go, folks. We got in under a few minutes apps on our Fire Stick. Let's click on Pluto TV. The initial time you open it takes a couple of moments, but as you can tell, we got live TV, free movies and TV shows. We can activate it if we want, but that's up to you. Right now, I'm just giving you demos here on how to install these apps on your Fire Stick. If you can't find something that you need in here, that's okay. There's a bunch more available on the downloader page. Peace. Take it easy.